Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to block creators on the Twitch application if you don't want to see their posts and activity. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. You should find that particular user of the application that you don't want to encounter again. Tap on the three dots icon next to its video and click on block, and then the user's username will appear. Tap on yes, so blocking will hide all streams and clips of this person, filter them out of all chat and prevent them from contacting you. You can manage your blog list at any time from settings, so tap on the yes button if you want to block this account. As you can see, this user has been blocked and unfollowed. If you want to undo this blocking, tap on the profile icon in the upper left corner of the screen, click on settings, tap on security and privacy, scroll down till you find the blocked users section. As you can see, here is the name of that user that you have blocked previously. If you want to unblock this person, tap on the unblock button next to its name and click on unblock if you are sure that you want to unblock. So you have undo this blocking. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.